down the details of the Morgan Stanley note for us today. Marley, let's trade it now with Tim Bigham, option strategist of Pilot AI. How would you approach an example trade for this name, Tim?
Yeah, good morning, Sam. And taking a look at stock that finally is getting a little bit of love back from the market here. Certainly the cybersecurity names had been under big-time selling pressure before the recent run-up. The stock had decent earnings as well, so even though valuations, as you alluded to earlier, are still a little stretched here, they're at least less stretched, but we're still approaching 25 times price to sales, for example, so certainly not a cheap stock at all. IV is hanging in there like the rest of the market, even post-earnings. So I think this stock pretty much has seen a nice rally, but will probably head sideways over the foreseeable month or so. So I'm just selling an iron Condor trade, selling an out-of-the-money call spread, the April 500, 510, and at the same time out-of-the-money put spread, the April 400, 390, just looking for the stock, which is hanging around that 450-ish level here to just kind of continue to shop around. Got some nice cushion both to the upside and downside. Getting about $4 on that trade, so like that risk return, risking $600 to make 400 if the stock doesn't rip higher, which I don't think it will, or really move towards those recent lows.
Okay, good look at CrowdStrike for us this morning. Trading higher right now as we do see this upgrade here and outperforming the rest of the cybersecurity names as well. It's important to note too. Thoughts on the overall market today, as we do have a little bit more caution this morning after yesterday's nice reversal there, Tim. I'm just wondering how you're keeping tabs on obviously the flurry of headlines coming out of the Middle East, which seems to be driving the price action in recent weeks.
No, absolutely. You're spot on with that, Sam. Whatever comes out of Washington is what the market's reacting to, especially now that we're past earnings season, which were good, not great. 10-year yield still well above 4%, so rates not supportive of really a multiple expansion here. So I just look for this continued kind of big range but no change action in the market. And with the VIX still well above 20, I love selling kind of the iron Condor trades, selling out of the money call spreads and put spreads both. I don't think we'll be making fresh new highs in the market anytime soon. But as we've seen, anytime the market gets any semblance of trouble, you see buyers step in or Washington step in with some reassuring headlines. So I think we'll continue to see a range-bound market, but you're getting way more now because of the VIX being over 20 instead of under 15 for selling these out of the money spreads.
We've recouped 6,800 on the SPX, so let's see if we can hold those levels throughout the course of the day. Really appreciate it, Tim. That's Tim Bigham there, options strategist of Pilot AI. Have a great day.